So this is a quick video showing what I bring on my daily commute, which looks like way too much stuff. I have an inner tube. At one time that was very nicely wrapped in saran wrap, a multi-tool with a chain breaker, a second multi-tool which I use as pliers, bungee cord, some gloves, wet ones because after you fix your bike you don't want to get a bunch of grease on your handlebars, tire boot, patch kit, alcohol swabs, and a quick link. So the rag tops it all off. I get that in the bag and it all fits. So that's about it.